In this video, I'm going to show you how to install XAMPP on your Windows 11 computer. So just start by opening an internet browser and typing in XAMPP download and press enter. Now you need to click on this website here, which is apachefriends.org, and this is the official place to go and download XAMPP. Now just scroll down and click on this bottom download here, which is the latest version of PHP, and you'll need to wait a couple of seconds while that downloads to your computer. If the download doesn't start automatically, you can always click on this button, and after a couple of seconds it should now begin downloading. Once the download's finished, we can simply right-click on this file and click on Open. Now you may get a Windows security pop-up, just go ahead and press Yes, and now we can begin installing XAMPP. So go and press Yes, click on OK, click on Next. Keep all of these options checked and press Next. Select where you want to install this onto your computer. I'm just going to leave it on my C drive and click on Next. Select your language and press Next. Click on Next again, and then just wait a few minutes while this installs to your system. Once it's finished installing, make sure to check the option next to Do you want to start the control panel now, and click on Finish. And that should now pop up with the XAMPP control panel. If you don't see this straight away, you could just open up the Start menu and search for XAMPP, and you can open up the application from here. Once you've opened up the app, click on the Start button next to Apache. You can also click on the Start button next to MySQL. If you get this pop-up, just click on Allow. And these are the two most important processes to run on XAMPP. So once you have these running, you can open up an internet browser, and in the address bar, type in the word localhost and press enter. Now that should take you over to localhost dashboard, and from here we can select PHP MyAdmin, and you'll now have access to your PHP MyAdmin database. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.